Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing another unboxing video today. This is the Hot Wheels Silver series that I just picked up. This is a new one that I have not seen before, so it's got some cool stuff in there. We got a BMW, an Audi, a Volkswagen, Mercedes, an Alfa Romeo, and check out that Porsche 911 in that gray color, guys. So we're gonna get this opened up, get it unboxed, and we'll show you each one of these cars. And there they are, guys. 6 cars. Pretty cool set. We'll start with the BMW here, guys. So a BMW 507 convertible roadster. The darker blue color with that red interior, it actually looks pretty good. And I actually like that wheel choice. Not a bad wheel choice for that one. Alright, next up, guys, is the Audi, and this is the RS5 Coupe. Super cool color with the black racing stripes there. So very cool casting with the black wheels. Definitely digging that one. Next up, we have the Volkswagen Golf. This is the MK7 generation in a gold color. Like I've said previously, gold definitely not my favorite color on cars, but it does have some okay black wheels on this one. Next, we have the Mercedes 190E, and this is the Evo model, so it's got the big wing and the ground effects on it. Super cool casting on this one, guys. Pretty solid metal base. Good wheel choice. Like that darker red color as well. Here we have the Alfa Romeo GT V6 in this green color. My least favorite wheels they put on these things. Do not like those. But not a bad casting if you're into Alfas. And last but not least, my favorite one of the set, the Porsche 911. This is actually a 1996, so that would be the 993 generation of 911s, and the last of the air-cooled. I like how they blacked out the roof there, and those wheels fit that car perfectly. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this unboxing. So I'm calling this the European Silver Series set, since it has the BMWs, Mercedes, Porsche, Volkswagens, all those Euro cars. But overall, my favorite one of the set is the Carrera, the 993, and then probably followed up by that 190 Mercedes. It's a pretty cool casting. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite car of this set is. And stay tuned for next week's hunt video, and we'll have another unboxing coming out soon.